The Intellifi mobile app helps you keep your kids safe online with convenient parental controls and app notifications. To set up parental controls, go to the Devices tab and tap on an individual profile. In the top right corner, you can tap the pause icon to pause your child's device at any time. If you want to set device time limits on a recurring schedule, go to the child's profile and tap Add Pause Schedule. There are a few predefined schedules to choose from, but you can customize any of them to create the schedule you want. To customize a schedule, select the Add New Schedule option. After naming the schedule, simply choose the start and stop times for the pause and the days of the week you'd like the pause to take effect. To implement the new schedule, select it from the Pause Schedule screen, then click Save. Assigning a primary device to each child's profile allows you to monitor device usage and receive an alert every time their device comes in or out of your home. First, go to your child's profile and type Add a Primary Device. Then, go to the Services tab at the bottom of your screen and tap the notification bell icon. You can choose from a list of alerts that will notify you when a device leaves or returns home, when a new device connects to the network, and more. For more parental controls, go to the Services tab and tap Content Filter. This allows you to block malicious sites for the whole home and block adult content and malicious sites for the kids on your network with always-on content controls. And if you ever need more help, you can go to the Services tab and tap the support icon to contact customer service.